Imagine the following scene. It's the rip current, one of the principal dangers for a swimmer. This current traps you in the sea and prevents you from getting ashore. It can be 10 times stronger than an Olympic swimmer. Before entering the water, ask a lifeguard, fisherman or surfers about the currents on that particular beach. Avoid the calm waters. It's always safer to swim in the waves as they make it easier to get to the shore. It's what surfers do. Only swim parallel to the shore if you're a strong swimmer. If you're in distress and can't get ashore, don't fight against the current. Save your energy and stay calm. Wave your arms so that someone might see you. This is advice from the Gran Canaria Council. Security at all costs for Canarian waters.